Here's your Thursday night update. Came out here after work and finished masking her up so we can prime. This is basically masked. Don't really know what I'm doing with this here, but anyway, it's masked up good enough. It's a primer on that. Gonna primer this, and then after we're done painting, we're gonna undercoat in there. Same with all in here. This is all gonna be like bed liners or something. That's not my department. So the plan is to primer this stuff tomorrow. Paint the black, which is this apron, and then up to here, up to this seam right there. This part of the door jamb to here. Try to get the black painted on Saturday. Let this primer and that and this sit another week till next weekend. Then sand those and then start painting the blue. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint the doors at the same time as the car or not. I'm definitely not going to paint them on the car, but anyway, that's all yet to be figured out, but all that matters is we get the black done this weekend, hopefully, unless we change your mind and don't do it. So anyway, yeah, that's all for now. Jim's supposed to be welding up the last hole. Nothing like waiting for the last minute. Can you believe a box of plastic is 60 bucks? I didn't know that stuff was that much money. And that's the cheap stuff. Grab this tire. I like to keep this tire just kind of in the way. Just kind of randomly move it around to different spots. So like now I'm going to move it over here. So next time I go over here, it'll be in the way over here. Yep, all ready to prime. I mean, weld up this hole. Oh, melted the Bondo off. Redo. I told him it was okay, but I knew it'd melt the Bondo off.
Does it remind you of the lights?
The light?
Yeah.
That reminds me of the bright light.
No, the lights on the truck.
Oh yeah. You're in the same situation once before. So we got our black paint here.
You got one of these.
Got one of these here.
Where'd you put this?
Oh, you need one of the supply room, huh?
Right.
Let me just. Oh, that thing's like empty already.
I know, I should have bought it.
Hey, you should have. They're not really that much cheaper.
That box of 100 was?
Oh, those ones, yeah.
No, I thought those were alright.
Well, you said nothing but bad things about them, and that's all we have.
It's only you.
Right. Anyway, we're gonna get some primer going on this thing. Ready to turn the heat on in here. Maybe I'll find the primer so I can get it warm. I don't really know where it's at. I mean, I know where it's at. I just don't know what I have. Let's see, shall we? Smells like paint in here. See anything that says primer? Primer. Clear, clear, clear. Clear, clear. Paint, paint, paint. Ah, the primer. Found some primer. Found some primer. Okay, got the green for the Model A. We can paint something with that. Some red from the truck. look, some black. Jim probably didn't even need to buy any black. Probably already had it. Don't tell him. Do not tell him whatever you do. Anyway, found the primer. I just don't know what hardener goes with it. I think it's the same hardener that you use in the clear, maybe? Do you remember how this mixes? This lid, see, this is how you tell. This cap on this looks like it has primer on it, right? So that must mean it's primer hardener. I'm gonna say that makes us 4 to 1.
That's it one time.
Right, and you can probably put reducer in it. I'll grab some of that. Maybe a little bit of reducer. This is gonna be a good video I'm making right here. Oh!
What?
I didn't throw it away, it's right here. Well, he said it wasn't in there anyway. Yeah. Anyway, we'll just get this primer situated on the bench. How you liking this video so far?
Pretty good.
Okay, we'll just look at the tech sheet here. That's where I like to keep my tech sheets. That's not the one I need. And that's not the one, I don't know why I have a tech sheet for flake. Okay, well I do not have the tech sheet for this anymore, so wish me luck. Oh good, it says on the can. Nope, yeah it does. 4 to 1 UA activator, yep. Reduce as needed. Alright, got it. We're all set.
All set.
As you can see here, everything is going swell. Got a little air pressure here. A little dual-handed action. Camera. The other on this excellent spray gun. I'm sure it can work with no issues whatsoever. There's drag, as you can tell. I like how it gives you that nice big blast of air when you first pull the trigger. Well, there's some primer on that. I don't think I reduced it quite enough. Yeah? You didn't order them? Are they on the way? Be here tomorrow? Oh. Gene Cheeseman would have ordered them. You guys know Gene? I think I'm going to have to reduce this primer some more. It's not working out for me. I forgot how thick this stuff was. You know what I mean? And you get the idea. I forgot to guide coat this door on purpose so I could get some footage of it.
I thought you were supposed to move the camera with it so it looks like it was on tape.
There you go. There's your guide coat. Make sure you have a lot of this cheap spray paint on hand to do your guide coating with, because you're going to need a lot of it. Still in my first can out of that case I've had for 3 years.
So excited.
I was so excited when I bought it. Never going to run out of guide coat ever again.
You're right about that.
Then I decided to start using the dry stuff.
Right, yeah, like right. Let's try this.
Well, there you be. A little bit of primer. Now I'll just let that cure in the 30-degree weather overnight. Probably gonna have to bring that light down tomorrow and bake the posts and then the front. Or at least get the heat up in here for a while.
I thought I was doing pretty good. I got shut us down.
Well, I got a little too hot. Nice. Now you want to sand that? In here? Okay. I'm gonna let you win that battle, sir. I'm not gonna sand that. I'm gonna let you I'm gonna let you spray undercoating right over it.
That's a good idea.
Maybe a red scuff pad for so it sticks. Oh wait, we don't have any of those.
I'll get the